Hey guys, welcome back. Now we will discuss about the methods, method attribute, and how we can use two methods, which is get and post, and in our form element. The method attribute specifies the HTTP method get or post to be used when submitting the forms. It has two types. One type is the get and the second type is the post. Now you can see that we have already defined the action, and now we will use the method for our form elements. And now first we will discuss about the get method. When to use get? You can use get, the default method, if the form submission is passive like a search engine query and without sensitive information. When you use get, the form data will be visible in the page address. For example, actionpage.php and interrogative sign, and first name is equal to Mickey and last name is equal to mouse, and also the gender. This will display in your web browser's address bar. So this is about the get method. And now if you want to see it in the browser, so you can also refresh your page and input the name in your fields and press the submit button. Then you will get the first name, last name and the gender in your address bar. Now you can see that it is showing in the address bar by using the get method. And it is not good for the security purposes, so we should not use the get method when the sensitive information has been used. So this is the get method, and moreover you can also use the get method in your for example, you have a selling website and want to sell specific product, then you can use the get method, and it will display the also the product info and categories here in your address bar, which is also the best user experience to using the get method, but it is not good for the security purposes where we use the password or other sensitive information. Now we move towards the other method, which is the post, right? And you can also write here the post. And when to use the post method, you should use post if the form is operating data or includes sensitive information like password. If you refresh the page, submit the button, and let's name Mickey Mouse and submit, and you can see that nothing will be shown in your address bar by using the post method. But in the get method you can see that here it is displaying the complete URL to our information. Now the next thing is about the name attribute. And these are the name attribute. To be submitted correctly, each input field must have a name attribute. This example will submit the last, and if you skip the name from any input field, then this field will not be submitted when using this button, which is the submit button. And this is the example. And this is not a good thing for the good form elements if you skip the name attribute for your input element. Now the next thing is about grouping form data with the field set. how we can group the form data or other similar data in our field set or in a specific group or a box. The field set element group related data in a form. So here we will create the field set, and for the field set you can just give its name the field set, and it is after the form, and you should also close before the form so that it will display inside our form and all data will be in the field set. Now you can see that all data has been grouped in a field, which is called field set. Now if you want oops. Now if you want to display some title here, then you can also use a legend, and legend element defines a caption for the field set element. Here you can use the legend, and here you can give this title. Let's say it is user data form, and now refresh and you can see that here is some title above the form, which is called legend. Now this is the correct form to display our web page. Now we move forward to the HTML form attribute, and which will be complete. An HTML form element with all possible attribute set will look like I am going to show here, and as you can see that if this form has already the action and method, and now you can also set its target, which should be mostly blank, and now you can also give this except jar set and I mean character set, except that character set which will be UTF-8, which is the advanced character set and includes all the characters. And next thing is the encrypted type, and here we will define its encrypted type and how it can be encrypted. And this is the application x-www-form.un URL encoded, and now you can also give this the no validate. And next thing is the autocomplete, how we can work our form. If we write something in our first field, our form should fill the other field automatically or not, and you can say, set this on or off. By default this value is on, and you can off this manually in your form. And now you can also give this the name no validate, so that it will not validate any field, and you can input any data in any field and it will not be validate. Moreover, if you have any question about this tutorial or any other tutorial, then you can comment on my website or my YouTube channel below this tutorial, and I will answer your questions there. And this tutorial is all about the HTML form, and you will learn more about the form in the onwards tutorials. Take care.